Hey guys, it's your girl Danielle. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Danielle. Welcome. If you could take just a second to hit that subscribe button down below, I would greatly appreciate it. And if you're not new here, then you already know what it is. You've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't even know how many of my videos. You know you want to subscribe to my channel because you keep coming back, you keep watching my videos. So why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I hope you guys are feeling good. As you can tell, I am feeling great. So good that I was in the mood to film a makeup video for you guys today. Now, last year I did another easy do-it-yourself at-home makeup Halloween costume tutorial. So I wanted to do kind of the same thing this year. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a Sims Halloween makeup look. I actually saw this makeup look shared by a makeup page on Instagram, and so I searched the hashtag Sims makeup and came across a bunch of really cool makeups on Instagram that inspired me. So I'm gonna throw up just a couple of my favorites real quick so you guys can see the inspiration that I was getting, you know. They are amazing makeup artists. You know, I am nowhere near that talented. But I did want to try to do something easy that you guys could do at home. If you follow me on Instagram or Facebook, then you might know that I've been obsessed with The Sims Free Play for about a year now. Oh my god, has it been a year? I can't believe that. But it's not only something I've been obsessed with playing on my phone, because that's what Sims Free Play is, on your phone. I don't play Sims on my PC anymore, but I used to as a child, so it is something that I've always loved to do. So I was like, this is going to be the perfect like Halloween costume. So if you want to see how I achieved today's Halloween makeup look, then just keep on watching.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.